Today, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Coursera so you can explore courses, summarize lessons, discover learning paths, and get personalized recommendations, all directly inside your ChatGPT conversations. If you're someone who loves learning, this integration lets you browse Coursera's huge library without opening a browser tab. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. The steps are exactly the same. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen and click your profile icon. This is where ChatGPT stores all account tools and app integrations. From the profile menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, select Apps and Connectors. This is your integration hub. Every app that works with ChatGPT will be visible here. You can connect, disconnect, or manage permissions all in one place. Scroll through the list until you find Coursera. Click on it to open the Coursera connection page. You'll see a short overview explaining what the integration can do. Finding new courses, accessing course insights, checking learning paths, and helping you choose the right skills to focus on. Click Connect or Authorize. If you aren't signed into Coursera yet, you'll be asked to log in. Once you authenticate your account, ChatGPT will confirm that Coursera is now connected. Now return to your main chat. You can start using Coursera right away by typing prompts like, Coursera, show me beginner-friendly Python courses. Recommend UX design courses with high ratings. Find a career path for data science. Summarize what I'll learn in the Google IT support course. ChatGPT will pull real Coursera data into your conversation. Course titles, ratings, difficulty levels, descriptions, and more. You can refine your search by asking follow-up questions, compare options, or even ask for learning roadmaps. This integration is especially powerful for students, professionals, or anyone looking to upskill without wasting time browsing. And that's it. Open ChatGPT. Click your profile icon in the bottom left. Open Settings. Go to Apps and Connectors. Choose Coursera. Authorize it. Then return to the chat to start exploring new courses instantly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.